In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change DNS settings on Ionos in about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to improve your website's performance, enhance security, or leverage the tools of a different DNS provider, mastering the skill of updating your DNS settings is essential. So, get ready as we embark on this journey together, guiding you through each step of the process to ensure a smooth transition. First things first, start by going to the Ionos website. It's here where our journey begins. On the home page, you'll notice a variety of options, but for now, our focus is on accessing the account management tools. Look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This is your gateway to manage and make changes to your account details, including DNS settings. Next, under the Sign In options, click on Customer Account. This will direct you to the login portal, where you're required to enter your credentials to access your account. In the first field, type in your email address. Make sure it's the one you used when registering your Ionos account. Accuracy here is key, as inputting the wrong details will prevent you from logging in. After inputting your email address, proceed by clicking Next. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. Again, ensure the accuracy of your password, as it's the final piece before gaining access to your account's dashboard. After typing in your password, click Next. One more time. Upon successful login, you're greeted with the Ionos dashboard. This central hub is where you manage everything related to your account. To get to the DNS settings, look for the Domains and SSL section. It's here where your domains are managed and where you can find the settings that we aim to adjust. Within the Domains and SSL section, locate the domain for which you wish to change the DNS settings. You'll notice 3 dots, an ellipsis, next to your domain. Click on this symbol to reveal a drop-down menu with additional options. From the expanded menu, select DNS. This is where the magic happens, where you can tweak, adjust, and set DNS records as per your requirements. The DNS settings page is where you get down to the nitty-gritty. You'll see a list of current DNS records for your chosen domain. To edit these, look for the pencil icon, which signifies the edit option. Clicking this icon will allow you to modify the existing DNS settings or enter new ones. Now, while changing DNS settings might seem daunting, remember that precision is your friend. Each record must be entered correctly to ensure your website functions as intended. Misconfiguration can lead to downtime or other connectivity issues, something we all want to avoid. After you've made your changes, whether you're updating an A record, MX record, or any other type of DNS record, take a moment to review your entries for accuracy. Once everything looks good to go, save your changes. This action will apply the modified DNS settings to your domain. It typically takes some time for DNS changes to propagate across the internet, so don't worry if you don't see the effects immediately. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours for changes to fully take effect worldwide. And just like that, you've successfully navigated the process of changing DNS settings on Ionos. Remember, these changes can have a significant impact on how your website operates and interacts with visitors, so always proceed with care and double check your configurations. Whether you're an enthusiast looking to tweak your site's performance, a professional managing multiple domains, or simply someone curious about the back end of websites, mastering DNS settings is a valuable skill. Bear in mind, the internet is always evolving, and so are its best practices, so keeping up to date with the latest trends and guidelines is always a good idea. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. We hope you found it informative and straightforward. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials to help you navigate the digital world with ease.